all boats should look like. Shipwrecked. But why are boats the worst? I believe the question is, why aren't they the worst? Boats are the #1 killer of all extreme paddleboarders. It's science. Take it from me. In 2014, there was 18 boater serial killers found in one small town alone. These murderers all owned boats, and when the cops came to them and said, "How did all these paddleboarders die?" They just said it wasn't them. How could they tell? A motor's a motor. There's no DNA. Why do they have to come all the way over here? Look how much lake there is. So many people out here today, it's super annoying. I don't know what it is. I just see them and they like come at me. It's like I have a reflective light or something for boaters. It's like I have a giant sign above my head that says, "Boaters, why don't you come on over here and make a ton of waves so I have to sit down?" I am a victim here. I'm approaching a boat right now. Maybe I should say something to them. Oh, seriously? I just wanted to relax. Just want to unwind a little bit. Escape the busyness of reality. Some solitude. Some independence. Just me and the water. Only now I have to share it with a bunch of boats.
Oh, look at me. Look at me. I have to take up the shoreline with my boat. I couldn't just be out there.
Oh my god, it's happening. There's one coming at me from both sides. I floated dangerously out to sea. Thanks, dude. There's nothing better than the sound of the great outdoors. Here come the waves. Turbulent. Reported deaths are as followed. 900,000 in the Okanagan, BC alone died from boaters. That was on Facebook, so you know it's real. I don't see any boaters from about a 400-meter radius, so I would say it's probably safe for me to stand up on my paddleboard and use it the way God intended. Are you kidding me right now? I guess I'll just never get home and die out here. You know, it's been noted in the Canada Journal of Medicine that the #1 cause for cancer is boat gas. You think of all the wasted natural resources that boats use every day, and even just to make one, like we could house homeless people in these things. Do you see that? It's a sailboat. It's literally creeping up. Lucky for me, I went to go grab some snacks, otherwise I would have been murdered by this sailboat. It is seriously like coming right up on my ass right now. Like, I need to go to show them a boat to be killed. It's going like 150 miles per hour. They waved at me. And now I get to deal with all these waves. I need to get home for some food, like actual food. I've been living off of berries. I'm gonna stand up now. Are you kidding me right now? Did you hear that phone ring from that boat like 200 meters away that just came out of nowhere? The safest time to paddleboard is 6 to 11 a.m. 11 o'clock is when all these douchebags wake up in their big houses and get on their very expensive boats. Look at this clown and his two miniature clowns.
Look at this guy slowing down. You want a piece of this?
To attempt to stand up on this paddleboard finally and try not to die while enduring these turbulent rapids. I didn't make it 100 meters before getting mowed down by a boat. I lost the battle. I lost the battle on boats. Boats.